Hello, I'm Mayra de La Salette. I'm a journalist at the Voice of America for the Portuguese department. First, I want to wish a happy World Press Freedom Day to all my fellow journalists and to all of those who believe and support a free press because it matters. Media for Democracy, Journalism and Elections in Time of Disinformation is 2019's theme, and I applaud it because we are living in a world where news are traveling faster than ever, and the internet opened those doors, the doors when it comes to break and share the news even faster. But it's a tool that also brought extra responsibility to our role as reporters and as people whose work is also to assure that all voices are heard, all issues are reported with accuracy and with the freedom that only democracy can bring. And the ability also to overcome one of our biggest challenges in today's world, fake news. And how do you do that? As a journalist, verify, verify, verify.